Hey Denver, it's Mrs. Brown. It's that time of year again. It is RIF. So I'm going to be doing this experiment with you guys when you come down to RIF. So I'm sharing it with you so that you can enjoy it with your families. We are going to make an M&M container rocket. Okay? So I have an empty M&M container. I have some vinegar and I have some Alka-Seltzer. So I cut my lid off of my container. I'm going to pour in a little bit of vinegar. A little bit more. Okay. I'm going to take my Alka-Seltzer, half a tablet. I'm going to drop it in my vinegar, quickly cover it up, and watch and see what happens. And just like that, we created our own M&M container mini rocket. I hope you enjoyed RIF this year, guys, and I'll see you in school tomorrow.